In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Outlook Classic and Outlook New. First, let's look at Outlook Classic. Open the Outlook Classic app. In the menu bar, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Options. In the General tab, you can see options for themes. Click on it. There are two versions of dark mode available here. One is dark gray and the other one is black. Let's see the dark gray first. Click on OK. Here is the dark gray version. Now let's see the other one. Go to the theme option just like before. This time let's select black, which is known as the traditional dark mode. Click on OK. Now the app is fully in dark mode. There is a feature called Switch Background here. If you click on it, the email page turns to light mode while the rest of the page and background stay in dark mode. Now let's see the new Outlook app. Open your new Outlook app. This is the interface of the new Outlook app. To enable dark mode in the top right menu, click on the Settings icon. In the left side Settings menu, click on General. In the middle tabs, click on Appearance. In the right side menu, select Dark and click on Save. Here you can see that the interface has turned into dark mode completely. The Switch Background feature is also available here. Click on this icon and the email page will change into light mode while the rest of the page stays in dark mode.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.